Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to solve unable to sync with the Steam Cloud issue on Steam. So I had this issue with this game, the Survivalist. Every time when I pressed play, a window appeared saying unable to sync to Steam Cloud and offering me a choice to play anyway or cancel. So in the meantime I have fixed this issue, and this is how I did it. Go to your left hand side on the game menu and right click the game that you have this issue with. Now on this menu go to Properties. From here go to Installed Files. Once you're here, you will see an option that says verify this game's files are installed correctly. And you will click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now, depending on the size of your game, this can take a few minutes. For me, because this game has only 700 megabytes, this took about 30 seconds or so. Once everything is verified, you can exit this page. And now if you click play, everything should be fine. So this is the way how I fixed this issue with this game. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel, you can check my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Thank you for watching.